Imagine this. You're in your 30s, lounging on a beach, sipping a cocktail, knowing your retirement is secure. Sounds like a dream, right? But here's the harsh reality. If you don't start saving now, that dream could vanish like a mirage in the desert. For many young adults, retirement seems ages away. But let me ask you this. Would you rather be stressed about finances in your golden years or living the life you've always dreamed of? Today, I'm going to share the best ways to save for retirement in your 20s and 30s. Strategies that could make the difference between financial freedom and working until you're 90. And stick around until the end, because I'm revealing a game-changing tip that could supercharge your savings. Point 1. Open a Roth IRA. Let's kick things off with one of your most powerful tools, the Roth IRA. This account allows your money to grow tax-free, meaning when you withdraw it in retirement, the IRS won't touch a dime. Sounds great, right? The earlier you start contributing to a Roth IRA, the more time your investments have to grow. Even a small monthly contribution can snowball into a substantial nest egg over the years. For example, if you invest just $100 a month starting at age 25, you could have over $200,000 by retirement. And that's just from your initial investment. And let's be real. If you can skip a few lattes each month, you can definitely make this happen. Your future self will thank you. Stay tuned, because soon, I'll show you another account that can give your savings an extra boost. Point 2. Maximize your 401k. Next on our list is your 401k. If your employer offers a match, you need to take advantage of it. This is literally free money. Let's break it down. If your employer matches your contributions up to 5%, that's an instant 100% return on your investment. For every dollar you put in, they'll add another dollar. It's like going to a buffet and being told, "Eat all you want for free." Why would you refuse? Yet, many young professionals leave this money on the table because they don't think they can afford to contribute. The truth is, not contributing enough to get the full match is one of the biggest financial mistakes you can make. But wait, there's more. The next point is all about making your savings effortless. Point 3. Automate your savings. Make it effortless. Now, let's talk about automation. One of the smartest moves you can make is to automate your savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to your retirement accounts each month. By doing this, you're essentially paying yourself first. It's like setting your finances on autopilot. You won't even notice the money is gone, but you'll be amazed at how quickly it adds up. This approach takes the guesswork out of saving and ensures that you're consistently building your future, no matter how busy life gets. Now, if you're still with me, wait until I reveal a crucial mistake to avoid that can derail all your hard work. Point 4. Avoid lifestyle inflation. Don't let your spending catch up. Finally, let's discuss lifestyle inflation. As your income increases, it's tempting to spend more. But this is a slippery slope that can derail your retirement plans. When you get a raise, consider putting that extra cash into your retirement savings instead of upgrading to the latest gadget or fancy car. Your future self will appreciate the extra cushion. Remember, the goal is to build a comfortable lifestyle without sacrificing your financial future. So there you have it, the best ways to save for retirement in your 20s and 30s. Open a Roth IRA, maximize your 401k match, automate your savings, and avoid lifestyle inflation. The earlier you take action, the more prepared you'll be for a comfortable and fulfilling retirement. Don't wait until it's too late. Start implementing these strategies today. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my next video on the power of compounding. You won't want to miss how compounding can turn your small investments into substantial wealth.